Everyone experiences ups and downs. However, if you're experiencing just back-to-back really bad luck, if you're feeling sluggish, if you're tired all the time, you're anxious, you don't feel quite like yourself, it's definitely time to cleanse your home of any evil spirit, any malintent, and of that evil eye. So we're gonna talk about how to do this. Number one, when preparing to do a spiritual cleansing for the home, it is important that you declutter. Clean your home, open up your windows. Make sure you feel nice and comfortable in your own space. Let the light come in. And as you're preparing to do the spiritual cleansing, you want to focus your intention in getting rid of any negative energy, of anyone that's sending you bad thoughts, jealousy, malintent, and you're inviting light, and you're inviting just goodness and good things for you, your family, and the people in your home. Once you've decluttered, once you've swept the floors, we're gonna start mapping the home. Now we want to do this from the back of the home towards the front. So maybe you start in your bedrooms, bathroom, you move over to the living room, kitchen, the front door. You're gonna map the home with equal parts of the go away evil floor wash and water. If you have carpeting, don't worry about it. You can use this in a spray bottle, and you can use it just to cleanse countertops as well, or like I said, just spray it maybe around the front door. Another tip that I'm going to give you that I really like is salt. I've talked about this before, but sprinkle some salt in the front of your home. You can use pink Himalayan salt, or you can use sea salt, and you want to go ahead and sprinkle this. And as you're doing this, you envision that spirit of protection in your home. Now I have some lemon and orange essential oils here, and you can use these with a rag to go over different surfaces in your home that you can use the rag to clean countertops, clean your walls. You want to use just a few drops. These are very good, very effective. Lastly, once you've cleansed your home, you want to go ahead and light a go away evil candle in the heart of your home. This can be the kitchen or the living room, and you want to once again set that intention for good things to come and envision anything negative leaving your home. Let me know in the comments if you've ever experienced the evil eye, and what have you done in the past to get rid of it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.